I was not going to raise this issue, but because he has raised the issue about our patriotism, I'd like to start by reading something. And this is from the memoirs of Army Chief Naravane. And I'd like you to listen nicely. You will understand exactly who is patriotic, who is not. This is about when 4 Chinese tanks were entering Indian territory. They were taking a ridge in Doklam, and the Army Chief writes, and I quote from an article that is quoting his book. The tanks were within a few hundred meters of Indian positions on the Kailash range.
No, sir, no, sir, no, sir. No, we only started. No, no, he is not yielding. He is not yielding. Sir, this is not. He is not yielding. LOP is not yielding. He is on the foot. Defense minister cannot involve. How about it? No. He is only starting.
क्या वह पुस्तक प्रकाशित हुई है जिसमें यह सब सारी बातें उन्होंने लिखी हैं? यदि प्रकाशित हुई है तब तो आप उसका उल्लेख करिए, नहीं प्रकाशित हुई है तो उल्लेख करने का कोई औचित्य नहीं है।
No, I'm not. मुझे बोलने नहीं दे रहे हैं। मैं कह रहा हूं कि it's a matter of national security. These are the words of Army Chief, serious leader of our forces. And it's a conversation that he has had with Rajnath Singh ji and also with Mr. Narendra Modi. All I'm saying is that I want to say in the House what the Army Chief has written. तो पता नहीं इतने क्यों डरे हुए हैं।